In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit video in Canva. By the end, you'll have your video trimmed or split, styled with text and visuals, polished with transitions and music, previewed, and exported as an MP4. First, open Canva. You'll see the home dashboard with a search bar and a Create a Design button in the top right. Next, click Create a Design, then choose Video. Canva will open a new video project with a blank canvas and a timeline at the bottom. Now upload your footage. On the left sidebar, click Uploads. Click the Upload Files button, select your video from your computer, and wait for it to finish uploading. You'll see a thumbnail appear in the Uploads panel when it's ready. Drag the video from the Uploads panel onto the timeline or directly onto the canvas. The clip will appear in the timeline, and the first frame will show on the canvas. Click the video clip to select it. You should see editing options above the canvas and along the timeline. Click Trim to cut the video length. A trimming window or handles will appear. Drag the start and end handles to keep only the section you want. You can play to check the in and out points before confirming. Trimming here only affects the clip in your project. It does not change your original file. Click Done or Confirm to apply the trim. Split the clip using Split on the timeline. Move the playhead to the exact frame where you want to cut. Then click Split. Your single clip becomes two separate clips on the timeline, which lets you remove unwanted parts, insert text moments, or add different transitions between sections. Add text, elements, or images if needed. We use the left sidebar to open text and choose a style like a heading or subtitle, then type your message. You can adjust font, size, color, and position by clicking and dragging on the canvas. If you need graphics or images, open Elements or Photos, then drag items onto the canvas. Align them visually and keep them on screen only for the clips where they're needed by adjusting their start and end in the timeline. Add transitions between clips. On the timeline, click the transition icon that appears between two clips. Choose a transition style such as dissolve or slide, and set the duration if available. Preview the transition to ensure it's smooth and not distracting. Add music from the Audio tab. Click Audio in the left sidebar to browse tracks. Click a track to preview it, then drag it onto the timeline below your video clips. The audio bar will appear. You can position its start point to match your edit and trim the end so it doesn't run long. Apply filters or effects using Edit Video. Select a video clip, then click Edit Video above the canvas. Choose a filter to quickly set a look or adjust basic settings like brightness, contrast, or saturation for consistency. Apply changes sparingly so the footage remains clear and natural. If you change your mind, you can always revert. Preview the video. Click the play button above the timeline to watch your edit from start to finish. Check your trims, splits, text timing, transitions, and audio. If something feels off, pause and make small adjustments, then preview again. Click Share, then Download. This opens the download panel with format options. Select MP4 video. This is the standard format for sharing online and will preserve your edits, transitions, and audio in a single file. Click Download. Canva will process your project and save the MP4 to your computer. Wait for the export to finish before closing the browser. Your Canva video edit is now complete and exported as an MP4, ready to share or upload. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.